Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a person's Pinterest profile. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest app. To share a person's profile, you have to search for the person first. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and then search for the person's profile. Then go to their profile. And on the left hand side you will see the share icon. Now tap on that share icon. Here you will see the option to share via Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, Viber, Gmail, Twitter, Telegram, and you can also copy the link of their profile. And if you want to share this person's profile with a friend on Pinterest, then you can search by their name or email and then tap on send. And that's how you can share a person's Pinterest profile. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.